Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Zeeglobalvision Services, where we provide science-backed advice to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. In today's video, we're diving into the topic of weight loss and sharing 7 authentic ways you can achieve your goals through diet. I'm your host and let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to remember that weight loss should always be approached in a healthy and sustainable manner. Consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet. With that said, let's jump into the authentic ways to lose weight with diet. One of the key strategies for weight loss is practicing mindful eating. This involves being present and fully engaged with your eating experience. Slow down, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. By doing so, you're more likely to make conscious food choices and avoid overeating. Portion control plays a crucial role in weight management. Be mindful of portion sizes and aim for balanced meals that include a variety of nutrients. Using smaller plates, measuring serving sizes, and being aware of calorie-dense foods can help you maintain a calorie deficit for weight loss. A well-balanced diet is essential for sustainable weight loss. Focus on consuming adequate protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Protein helps to promote satiety, while healthy fats and complex carbs provide sustained energy. Incorporate lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and legumes, along with whole grains and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Added sugars can contribute to excess calorie intake and hinder weight loss efforts. Be mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods, beverages, and condiments. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible and choose natural sources of sweetness, like fruits, to satisfy your sweet tooth. Staying hydrated is vital for overall health and weight management. Drinking water before meals can help you feel fuller and reduce calorie intake. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. And consider replacing sugary drinks with water or unsweetened herbal tea. Planning and preparing meals in advance can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. Set aside time each week to create a meal plan, make a shopping list, and prepare meals in bulk. This way you'll have healthy options readily available and reduce the temptation to reach for unhealthy alternatives. While this video primarily focuses on diet, it's important to remember that incorporating regular physical activity is a crucial component of weight loss. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, jogging, dancing, or any form of exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity will help you burn calories, boost your metabolism, and improve overall fitness. And there you have it, 7 authentic ways to lose weight with diet. Remember, weight loss is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and a holistic approach. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others on their weight loss journey. Stay tuned for more science-backed tips and tricks. Wishing you all the best on your path to a healthier you.